Did you know that 90% of people who take screenshots on a computer do it the wrong way? The method you've been using is very inefficient, and actually it's costing you more effort and time, and it can actually make you lose lots and lots of photos when taking screenshots. Hello there and welcome to Actionable User. In today's video, I'll show you the right method to take screenshots. Without taking much of your time, let's dive into this video and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. To take a screenshot, the most common method is to use the Windows logo plus Shift plus S. All these keys you have to hold them at the same time. So let me show you here with a web page. I want to take a screenshot of this web page, so I'll hold down the Windows logo key plus the Shift key plus the S key on my keyboard. After pressing on that, these options appear here at the top and my cursor actually changes to a plus sign, whereby there is this rectangular snip, there is this freeform snip, there is this window snip, and there is this full screen snip. Now I can take the rectangular snip, then I can choose the area. Then if I'm satisfied, I can release. That image has been saved to my computer's clipboard. All I have to do is go to a given document and paste it there. I'll come here and paste, and you can see my image has been pasted over here. If I click on it, you can see the borders, and if I actually take a sneak peek into my computer's clipboard, I can see that this is the item which is saved over here. So this method is the most used by 90% of the people, but you have to remember that this method is actually not efficient, because first of all you have to paste. So if you forget to paste, you will actually lose your information and you have limited control over the format of what you're pasting. So let me go and show you the best method to actually take screenshots. The best method involves using a particular tool called the snipping tool. So you can search for that here below. Here is the snipping tool, so search for it and click on it. Upon opening the snipping tool, this window opens. So this window gives us more control over the previous method, although some of these features are similar, like the mode. We saw that we have freeform, rectangular, all these were in the previous style, but this has more options, like you can use something like a timer to take your screenshots, or you have other options here. You have more options, and the amazing feature about this mode is that it allows you to select the image file format. You saw in the previous one that we have no control, we just have to go and paste it. Now, the good thing about this method, as we said, is that you have control over the file format. So let's actually take a screenshot and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Let's drag. We can now come here to these options. As you can see, there's a save as, then you can choose to edit. There's some minor editing you can do here. Then there are some tools like the highlighter, the pen. So it has all this which the other option lacks. We have the highlighter over here, whereby you can highlight some words like this on your screenshot, or you can use pens like the red pen and select a given name. And once you are through, there is a save over here. I can now come and press this. This save as window will open, and we have selected the desktop, so we are going to give it a name. After naming it, here as save as type, you can see it's already set to PNG, but if you click on this drop down or anywhere in this box, you can see there's some options, like you can choose to save it as a JPEG, as a GIF, or as a HTML. So for today, I'll save it as another format. Let me choose, let's say, GIF. After clicking on that, I can save. And look at that, guys. Once I go to my desktop, here is the image. So let me open it. So here's our image, guys. We can choose to save it as another file type. So we can click on this save as. This save as dialog box will open, and we see we already have a GIF. So we can choose another file format here, like JPEG. Then click on save. and you can see there is a JPEG created over here. Then you can come again, then click on this drop down, then select another option like this PNG, click on save. You can see a PNG has been created over here. Then there are some other options like mailing it to someone, so you can mail it over here, and you can also copy this image to your clipboard. So if I click on copy, it would be copied to my clipboard, and you can see here are all those copies. Yeah, then we have an eraser over here whereby you can come and erase, and all these, any changes that you have done, you can simply erase them like that. And guys, remember that if you like to share this image, you can simply do that by coming here to file, then you can send to, also email as you saw. This is the best method of taking screenshots on a computer. There you have it, viewer. That is how you can easily and effectively, also efficiently take screenshots using your computer. Taking screenshots should not be a very tough task as most people make it to be. If you'd like me to make another tech video, leave me a comment with the name of that video and I'll do exactly that. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.